Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Got a Lonely Binary ESP32-S3 and need to set up the CH340 driver on your Mac? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to get your USB ports ready for programming in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, plug your ESP32-S3 into the left USB port labeled UART. When a pop-up asks Allow accessory to connect, click Allow. Easy start. Next, let's confirm the connection. Open System Information via the Apple menu about this Mac, then System Report. Under Hardware, USB, look for CH340 or USB Serial Controller. If it's there, your Mac sees the device. If not, try a different cable or port. Head to the WCH official website and download the Mac driver file. Extract it, then run the PKG file to install the driver. Follow the prompts, and you're almost there. The installation requires extension permissions. Open System Preferences, go to Security and Privacy, and click Allow next to Driver File. You may need to unlock with your password. Then, restart your Mac to load the driver. To confirm everything's working, open Terminal and type cd/dv, then lstty/*. Look for something like tty.wch USB serial. If you see it, congrats, your driver is set. And that's it. Your ESP32-S3's USB ports are ready for action. Happy coding!